As we know, the Queen has passed on September 8, 2022. Some people are still in disbelief over the passing of Queen Elizabeth. Others, though, are eager to see what the royal family's future entails. However, it is a very wonderful sight to see everyone gathered to honor Queen Elizabeth's life. Unfortunately, the Queen was not the only one to pass away this month. The sudden death of PNB Rock on September 11 startled followers. Fans are now left to wonder what was really the cause of his demise. Conspiracy sparked the air, as some people believe it was because he had something valuable on him, while others think his girlfriend had something to do with it. What do you think? In Puerto Rico, things become chaotic when Hurricane Fiona makes an unsettling debut. Power outages, flooding, and wrecked structures were left on the island. The hurricane is anticipated to intensify by twofold as it approaches the Dominican Republic. Improved note: finally, football season has arrived, and fans could not be more thrilled. The Saints defeated Atlanta by a score of 1-point comeback, but their victory was far more impressive. They fought back from a 16-point disadvantage at the beginning of the fourth quarter, but let's be honest, given Atlanta's superior talent, they never should have been behind. This was a tough loss for the Cincinnati Bengals in their past game. The Bengals could only produce 17 points on offense, while the defense was unable to apply pressure despite not being confronted with Dak Prescott, and instead facing his backup, Cooper Rush. The score is now 0-2, and it was a tough loss. If past is any indication, they just won't make the playoffs.